Hello, today we're going to talk about a piece of news that I heard recently.
Let's go.
Get ready.
Go.
Well, I guess the most important news I heard recently is about the novel coronavirus. On January 23rd, the day before Chinese New Year Eve, our government decided to close up the city of Wuhan to contain the virus outbreak. I read the news on Weibo, a Chinese social network site. In fact, I got most of the news from this platform. When I heard the news, I feel really pity for Wuhan people, but I think the government has made a wise decision. As we all know that the coronavirus can be spread by coughing, sneezing, or contacting with virus carriers. So if people continue to get out of and into the city of Wuhan, the virus will be spread all over the country and even all over the world. By then, there will be no way to contain it. This decision undoubtedly changed people's lives, especially for Wuhan citizens. From social network, I got to know that some of them lead an isolated life because there are no people or any vehicles on the street. The price of food and some daily necessities just get much higher than before. People are panicked, they wear masks in public areas and wash hands frequently. But the number of affected cases keeps increasing and there is still no specific medication. People outside of Wuhan are really supportive. They try to make some donations and cancel any unnecessary flights and gatherings. Anyway, I hope that the situation in Wuhan can get better and people's life can return to normal as soon as possible.